Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and continuing our surprise card video. So I made these card kits a couple months ago when I was going to do a card class. So I have a stack of masculine, a stack of feminine, a stack of kid ones, and we're just picking them up and making whatever's in them. I did put these together, but like I said, it was several months ago. Everything should be in it except glue. And I even have foam tape in it if that was kind of the idea. I can always add to it, but the purpose was, everything they would need to make these, whoever made it, would be, in the envelope. So this is my masculine one. And so I've got this card front. Got road signs on it. Whoops. And then let's see, so I have this, and I have this directional, compass rose. And so I think I'm gonna do it like that. So this is not a birthday. It's kind of a generic card that you could use for many occasions. You could do it for a birthday, especially if they're turning like 16. Be easy to add like a 16 up here. Graduation. So, all right, there's that. Let's stick envelope inside. Envelope, what do you say? All right, next one is the feminine card. And, all right, so this one, let me actually pull out another card. So I made this card, and I made this card. So this is where you take 3 pieces of paper and you cut it into 3 pieces, and then you just mix up the pieces. So these were in my stack too, but when I kind of peeked at the cardstock, because I noticed when I made another video, I pulled out a card and it was very similar to another one I'd made in a surprise video. So I did kind of peek, just open it up and peek, and I saw that these were all the same cardstock, so I went ahead and made these two. So notice how they're like, the cards are like laid out the same. It's gonna have the same paper. Now I will say I kind of had a hard time piecing these back together. I kind of learned the trick. I'm gonna start with the bottom piece. And I kind of went with the same theme on all these, with the sunflower embellishment. So I asked this in another video, but just curious, do y'all ever make cards that are the exact same or very close to the same? This technique, you end up with, it in this case, 3 cards. When you do just cut once and you flip, I won't say flip, but switch papers, you end up with 2 cards, and I've made some of those in my other videos. That was the one I figured out what I'd done. All right, and then do a focal point, some kind of embellishment over where all those come together. And then that's popped up. I think I'm going to pop this up too. I think it needs it. Use my Dollar Tree foam tape. This is, I always say this, but I never know what videos you've watched. This is from the hardware section of the Dollar Tree, not the craft section. I like the bigger ones from there. All right. So there's my feminine one. Everything will be okay. That could be a get well card. That could fit a lot of things. So I made all 3 of these cards. 3 pieces of paper that were card fronts, and then cut them. Okay, so there's that. Got a little bonus there. And then let's do a kid one. That's okay. I've only got one more set, really, and I have an odd kid one, so my next one will be my last one, and it'll have a bonus kid one. So I'll have 4 cards. All right, so make sure I open this the right way. Got this embossed cardstock. This is a new folder. I don't know that I've used making cards with it, actually. It's got some like flowers on it. This is probably in one of my haul videos, because like I said, it's pretty new. I don't know if it's that new. I haven't been on YouTube long right now. All right, so Dream Big, and then I've got this tiara, and I got some hearts. I live in a house full of boys, so making like little girl cards is not, I don't do it a lot, but I do have nieces. I think I'm just going to scatter these around, actually. And I don't think I'm going to put the tiara on because this pink and this pink are too close together, but yet I think they clash. So we're going to leave that off. All right, so there's my kid card. So let's go back now. We're still under 6 minutes as of right now. So there's my kid card, Dream Big, not birthday, could be. My masculine card, and I think this is the one I made just now, the feminine card. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Happy crafting until next time.